Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. Let's just quickly review Asus TUF FX505. So let's talk about the screen on this one. This thing got 144Hz 1080p of IPS display, 65% of sRGB and 49% of Adobe RGB, 268 nits max brightness. This thing got its own gaming center, as you can see on the screen. So for example, you can control the lightings and the temperature of the laptop. Processor on this one, you get AMD Ryzen 5355Hz, RAM you get 8GB, and you have NVIDIA GTX, and it runs on Windows 10. Hard drive on this one, you get 500GB, and it is definitely worth upgrading. So the RAM in this you can definitely upgrade. You got 8GB, you can put more 8GB for a faster experience. There is a space for HDD as well, so you can put more 500GB if you want. So the lighting on this one you can control very easily, and you can change as per your needs. So at the left hand side you got Ethernet port, HDMI 1, USB 2 and USB 3.1 port, and a headphone jack. So at the back you got this two vents to cool down this thing, and at the right hand side you don't have anything. So this thing got military certified toughness, and this thing feels pretty solid. So you got two speakers at the left and at the right hand side, which are 2 watts of speakers. The sound quality is really awesome. So the width is 360 millimeters, the depth is 262 millimeters, and the height is 26.8 millimeters. The weight is 2.3 kgs. This thing is heavy as you expect on a gaming device. The only downside I would say is the battery could have done better. So if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.